The full forecast, though, coming up in just a bit.
Michelle, thank you very much. Montauk County neighbors gathered in Latham today to celebrate the groundbreaking for the new school.
That's right. Latham Elementary School burned down last December. You probably remember. It was in an overnight fire. KOMU8's Alex Harrison tells us the building means more than just a new school to Latham.
The students have something to sing about. They are finally getting a new school. The 61 K through 8th graders currently take classes in trailers on the school property after the fire last December.
I just remember waking up that morning and my mom coming in to tell me that the school had burnt. And it definitely came as a big shock.
I'm standing on a bench here inside of the old gymnasium, which is the only part of the school building that was left after the fire. The fire happened on the other side of this west wall, and as you can see, although they've repainted over this wall twice since the fire, the damage is still seeping through. The fire happened last December, and this gymnasium still smells like smoke. The new school is a $1.2 million project paid for largely with insurance money.
The kids were very excited because I think it's just been such a long time that they were so happy to finally see some progress being made.
Higgins will not attend the new school since she will be in high school next year, but that hasn't stopped her excitement.
I think it's important that we have a school. We have just a small community and stuff, and I think the school makes a big part of our town, and without it, there wouldn't be a whole lot here.
The school is set to be finished by July 31st next year. Alex Harrison, KOMU8 News, Latham.
Brown says the school's gotten about $100,000 in donations, and it could still use more, though, to finish the project. Some local organizations